Hi, I am Priyam.
Hi, I'm Raj. Hi, I'm Selena.
So this is our initial position of the robot, home position. So our cylinder dispenser places the first cylinder in the cylinder for assembly operation, and then it's placed in the assembly station. So we have programmed our program to run for 4 assemblies. As we can see now, it's changing the tool, and there is a sensor present for the presence of sensors, pistons. Now it will sense if the piston is there, and we have also decreased the speed for piston's presence. So our robot sense the piston, and it's picking up it and placing it into the assembly station. Now the tool will again be changed for picking up the final assembly. The final assembly of cylinder and piston will be placed into the final matrix. At the same time, another cylinder will be placed into the cylinder dispenser with the help of pneumatic piston, and the same operations will be repeated until 4 times. Now the tool will be changed for piston pick and sensing. It will sense the piston on slow speed, and then the piston will be picked after sensing, and now it will be placed to the assembly station for the assembly of piston and cylinder. And our second assembly of piston and cylinder will be placed into the second slot of the matrix, final matrix. So the manipulator will sense the presence of pistons until it senses one, and will keep on moving to next positions. As you can see, it sensed 2 positions and didn't, the input was not high, so it's keep on moving. Now the sensor is piston is sensed, and the piston will be picked and placed into the assembly station. So our third assembly is ready. It will be placed into the third slot of the final matrix, and our fourth cylinder will be here. Our fourth piston will be picked now. will be placed into the final assembly station. Our fourth assembly, the final assembly, will be placed into the final slot of the matrix, and after this the program will stop and the robot will move to its home position. And we are also using this teach pendant on this. The different inputs, different status of the program is showing, for which can be used for debugging purpose. Thank you.